Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what is an active buzzer and a passive buzzer. So let's start. This is an active buzzer, and we can identify it by it might have a sticker on top, and it is covered at the bottom. And this is a passive buzzer. This doesn't have a sticker at the top and it is not covered at the bottom. So I've got my breadboard connected to a battery, and if I on and I will keep the active buzzer, what will happen is, let me show you. You can hear a sound, and if you remove the sticker, it produces another sound. So that is an active buzzer, and then it is this is the passive buzzer, and it doesn't have a covering it is not covered at the bottom. So if I keep this, we can hear a clicking sound. This is an RGB light. It comes in two types. One is with a board fixed on it, and one just a normal RGB light with 4 pins. RGB lights have four pins, and as this also it has 4 pins. So now I will show you how to light up this RGB light. RGB means R is for red, G is for green, B is for blue, and this negative, it is the pin for the negative current. So first put the light in one of the place. Next what we need is 3 push buttons. We only need the 2 sides of the one push button. So keep the other 2 pins outside of at 2 pins at this side and 2 pins at this side. So keep the 3 push buttons in an order. Next step is to take 3 wires and connect it from one pin of each of the push buttons to the positive side of the breadboard. So now you can see that I have connected 3 wires from each side of one push button to the positive. Next what you have to do is take another wire and connect from the negative of the LED or the RGB LED to the negative side of the breadboard. The next step is get some other 3 wires, then connect it from the other side of one push button to one of the terminals, one of the pins of the RGB. Now I have connected this push button to the blue terminal of the RGB LED. Now let's see what happens if we connect the battery and turn it on. You can see that it comes blue on the LED. The same way connect the other pins. So let's see. This will be red. This will be green. This will be blue. So if we press both buttons, you can see that it has turned into light yellow color. If I press red and green, it has turned into a purple color. That is what if we mix red and blue. If we mix red and blue, we get purple. If we mix red and green, we get a light yellow. If we mix green and blue, we get a cyan color. So it is 3 colors from one LED. So guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.